I'm going to explain how to work this out. There's two ways of looking at this. Either you can see this fraction as a division, so 30 divided by 10 equals something divided by 5, and it's 30 divided by 10, and we can do that with fractions. 30 divided by 10 is 3. Okay, and what is that the same as? What divided by 5 equals 3? It's 15. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So that balances it out. So these two would be equivalent. So 30 divided by 10 is the same as 15 divided by 5. So you can see, you can look at it as a division. Alternatively, what you can do is consider them as fractions when you're trying to work out equivalent fractions. So it's 30 over 10 equals something over 5. Look at the 10 and think, well, actually, what do we have to do to the 10 to make it into a 5? We divide it by 2. So we do the same to the top. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. 15 over 5. The reason why this works is that whenever you have a fraction, for example, if I have a half, then whatever I do to the top number, whatever I multiply divide it by, if I do the same to the bottom number, then the fractions are equivalent. So if I multiply the top number by 15, or actually 10, and times the bottom number by 10 as well, the denominator, I get 10 over 20. 10 out of 20 is a half. Okay, we'll do it with another fraction. I've got a third. Actually, I'll have 12 over 16. Now 12 out of 16, if I want to simplify this fraction, I can half the top and half the bottom. And I get 12 divided by 2 is 6. Half of 16, which is the denominator, is 8. So 12 over 16 is the same as 6/8. Okay, I can further simplify this because they're even numbers, so I can divide them both by 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So if I look at the original fraction, 12 over 16, that is equivalent to 6 over 8, which is equivalent to 3/4. So going back to the original problem, we can see how it works. 30 over 10 is equivalent to 15 over 5 because we've divided the top by 2 and we've divided the bottom by 2. Thank you.